Hello everyone, I'm Mukund Narayanan from Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee. I'm a PhD student from the Department of Water Resources Development and Management, and this poster presents our work on mapping rice irrigation quantities across India using satellite data from MODIS and GPM. Quantifying rice irrigation is critical because of its high water demand, and you know this high water demand drives severe groundwater depletion, especially in states like Punjab, Haryana, and Tamil Nadu, where over irrigation has led to groundwater depletion. Furthermore, extensive flooding of in rice paddies is a major source of methane emissions, which is a potent greenhouse gas, 28 times more potent than carbon dioxide, making it a food security and a climate change issue. Therefore, there's a need to quantify this irrigation. Well, how do we quantify this? If you look at the bottom left here, we can see that first, using MODIS satellite data, we analyze seasonal rice areas based on their unique flood signals as well as the the growth phase, like how rapid it is. And once we ascertain the rice areas, we perform a water balance where we calculate the total crop water that is consumed through evapotranspiration and then subtract that from effective rainfall. And we find that this method gives us a very accurate rice irrigation with an accuracy of 70% validated against statistical data. And overall, we see that our increase that you see here is close to 80%, which is from 77 billion to 139 billion, which is close to 62 billion. And this is increase. This increase can feed India for nearly 1 year. That is feed water supply for nearly 1 year. And this amount of increase is mostly concentrated around the northwestern Indo-Gangetic plains as well as some southern parts like Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh regions. At a state level, we can see fluctuations. What here it summarizes the top 10 districts and top 10 states. And in the top 10 states, we can see that Punjab and Haryana have a consistent increase, whereas the Tamil Nadu has really fluctuations because these states are southern states are more monsoon dependent compared to the above ones. So in general, what we saw in overall in the national level is that in 2019, the value nearly peaked to 170 BCM, which is supplying India for water for 3 years. And Punjab and Haryana alone in 2021 pretty much captured most of the water, which is over 40%. And the major concentration of irrigation took place in the northwestern plains as well as the southern semi-arid regions. So general thing is quantifying such areas might help policymakers to make decisions on where to reduce and improve irrigation efficiency. So thank you everyone. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thank you.